it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics here to introduce a very special quilt called Farmhouse Cross, designed by QuiltFox Design. Absolutely spectacular with Hoffman fabrics. I love this quilt. Obviously, the profound Christian message of the cross for Jesus' crucifixion. A lot of profound meanings, obviously, behind this quilt. So if you're a Christian, this is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. A very limited amount of kits are being cut right now. We're giving you the opportunity today to reserve your kit. Put your name on that for just $10. And when those kits are fully cut, there's a lot of fabric in this kit. We'll bill you for the difference and get that headed your way. You're really paying $10 toward the cost of that kit. So pretty spectacular. You can imagine that in an entryway. I can also envision giving that to someone that you know would so deeply appreciate that. Maybe even a pastor or a priest or somebody in your life that you know would be like, wow, what a cherished gift that is. So, of course, anything like this is all piecing, no applique. Anytime we're really going to zero in on precise piecing, we need some tools. This is not for a beginner. So if you're like, oh my gosh, I love that, but I don't have the experience yet to do it, here's my advice to you. I've been in this boat and I passed up quilts for years because I'm like, I don't have the experience. When I did have the experience, those quilts were no longer available. So if this speaks to your heart, be sure to reserve your kit. Get that kit. Just don't open it yet until you have the experience to be able to look at that, read the pattern through, maybe practice with some scrap fabric, and then when you're ready, go ahead and take on that project. It will be certainly worth your time then. These are the tools we use to create our project. Creative grids, of course, in sizes from the largest down, of course, to very small rulers. The things I really want to call your attention to that are big time difference makers are the fresh blade in the rotary cutter, the fresh needle in the sewing machine, patchwork pins. If you need an aid for the 1/4 inch seam allowance, certainly we have the seam guides available, the diagonal seam tape. Be sure to pick those up. And we used artful thread on our project. So this one's pretty special, limited kits. Go ahead and grab that. Let a friend know as well. Subscribe, and I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.